Okay, so about I want to say like 8 months ago, we bought a Camaro for Copart, and it was running when we bought it, and then we parked it. We stripped the whole interior, and it's actually been parked for quite some time now. As you can see, it doesn't even have the rims or the tires, and some of the hoses are missing and stuff like that, like the AC. So we're gonna go ahead and try to see if we can turn it on today. We are missing a few of the things that we took out from the interior. So now this is the 6.2, so this is with the LS3. It does have some hoses right there that we have to replace, and obviously put some coolant on it. And we did disconnect the AC, which, you know, is not a big deal. We're just trying to move it. But it does have everything still, you know, pretty much the same. This one did come with the Brembos, which is kind of a shame, but you know, the whole interior, like I said, we stripped it out because we put her on a 70 Chevelle. So we took the whole thing out. We actually had to bring back the steering wheel and the bracket in order for it to, you know, to be able to move it. But right now we do have the old rims that it had on it. 2 of them were broken, so we're gonna see if we can move it. But as you can see, I mean, this car was in a wreck. You can't tell from this side. But if you go over to this side, there you go. That's the damage right there. So, I mean, we plan to do something with this one later on down the road, but for right now, we just want to get it from out of here so that way it's not, you know, rotting away even more than it already is. So we're planning to move it on the other side of the property. So hopefully, if we can get it running, if not, we'll tow it, but hopefully it'll turn on. It should, since everything's good on. Little update, we got the rims on it. Okay, all 4 sides. The one on this side, it's broken. The other one we're able to repair it. This one for sure, there's like no way we can repair it. It's actually pretty messed up. But we got all of them already. We tested, there is electricity now. Obviously it's a different battery, it's not the original that came with it. And yeah, we check all the vital signs over there: oil, air, water. On this side, there was some stuff that got you know, hot wire here in order for it to get it running. So hopefully we can get it through. It seems like everything's fine. It should be able to shift. We should be able to get everything on there. We do have to check for fuel because I don't think that we put fuel in it. But it looks pretty promising. I mean, we might be able to actually get it to turn on. Okay, we realized the battery was, I guess, not as good as we thought, so we're gonna go ahead and try. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a charger. Yeah, it looks like we have a little jumper, but it's not fully charged, so it looks like we're gonna have to go and get it. The only problem is that we have that thing 4 miles away, so we're gonna have to go that way. It's almost there though. Okay, so quick recap. We got the battery charger on there. We got this old school one. Instead of going all the way home, we found this one in the RV. So we plug in some electricity, we have the wire in there, and hopefully Chevy won't let us down. Go ahead, Rafael. Almost. I don't even know if it has fuel in it. We're gonna have to wait a little bit. Okay, so bad news, maybe not so bad, but kind of bad news. I think we ran out of fuel. So I'm actually going to the gas station right now. Hopefully Chevy won't let us down, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some gas, and then we're gonna try to see if we can turn it on, because everything else is working, but it just seems like it just does this little thing where it just kind of teases, but it doesn't give us enough power. So we're gonna go ahead and get some fuel, and then hopefully we can get it to turn on, because I mean, it's starting to become a lot longer than what we were expecting. So hopefully we can get it through. Let's hope. Okay, so we're back. We got the fuel. So I only got about 3 gallons because I don't really think we need very much. And since we are going to take this car apart, there's no point in putting any more than that. So I'm going to go ahead and try to see if we can pump the fuel, and hopefully we can get some, hopefully we can get it to turn on. All right. So we got the gas in there. Now we're going to go ahead and try to get it to turn on. Now the chargers has been plugged in this whole time. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to go to the gas station, so hopefully they got enough charge. All right, oil check, tire check, fuel check. Let's try it again. It's so close. It's getting closer. Okay. No. Man. It almost goes, but it doesn't. I think we're gonna go back to the drawing board. Do you hear that engine? Well, it's not from this, it's from this, because we unfortunately couldn't get it to turn on, and we don't have enough time. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it. We grabbed it from that bar on the bottom. That's usually, you know, a little extra bar for the radiator, but we don't need it right now, so it's gonna be fine. But anyways, At least the brakes work, so we're gonna go ahead and be braking while we get it over there. I am very disappointed, but we just don't have enough time to be messing with it, although we wish we could. This tire's still bad, but it's part of it. We'll get it to where we need it. She rolls good. Okay, so it's finally parked. There it is. We left it there. As you can see, the lights are on and everything else. I mean, everything seemed to work, and you know, but it's just the anti-theft, something that really, like I said, right now we don't even have the scanner with us, so we can't really do much to it. But at least it's there. It's safe with the other cars that we have here. Well, as safe as they can be. So hopefully next time. Unfortunately, we're disappointed, everybody, but it's all good. It's all good. Next time we'll get it, hopefully, but until then, thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe, and all that shit. All right, we'll see you guys.